When people ask me where I grew up, it's hard to answer. I grew up in a military family, so I was an Air Force brat. With my family, we averaged a move every year and a half growing up. I grew up with a family that believed in college because they didn't have college. Education was a very big deal in our family. I founded the company in '96 out of the basement of my house, and 3 years later I wound up moving into our first office space and then grew into our second office space in 2007, and then just this year we moved into our third office space. Your business kind of becomes your family, and your family your business, if you will. I think the lessons that both my girls have learned from this is, I hope, that they know that they can do anything. One of the things that I was doing when I first started my business is I knew I needed to reach out to other organizations to always be on the leading edge. Because just like with any business, if you don't learn, you die. It was my board of advisors that also said, hey, you should probably look at government. And when I first looked at it, I said, you know, why would I sell to the government? It didn't make a lot of sense at the time until I started working with some organizations that helped me understand the benefits. We're up for a challenge, and we're not going to let it set us back. And we usually see that silver lining because of it. So whenever something happens, yeah, you get scared, but you're going to fight back, and you're going to get real creative. And we've had some of the best solutions come out of some of the worst times.